Hallo liebe Freunde, hello dear friend. Ich heiße Ananya und Sie lernen German mit Ananya. My name is Ananya and you are learning German with Ananya. So guys, today I will help you with the vocabulary of what have you kept inside your refrigerator, in your fridge. So, let's begin. First of all, what do we call refrigerator in German language? This is der Kühlschrank. And how does it look? Just like this. This is a Kühlschrank. Der Kühlschrank. So, what do we kept inside the Kühlschrank? We will learn all of them. Let's begin. So, as there are many fruits and vegetables in our fridge. So, fruits just like first one is, this is a pear. So, pear in German is die Birne. Noch einmal, die Birne. This is generally we kept in our refrigerator or any other fruit. So, next is, was is das? Das is cherry. So, cherry in German is die Kirsche. Once again, die Kirsche. Next is, was is das? Sehr leckeres, very tasty and delicious. This is die Schokolade. Once again, die Schokolade, which means chocolate. Next is, was ist das? Der fish. Once again, der fish. Next is, was ist das? Die Erdbeere. Noch einmal, die Erdbeere, which is a strawberry. So, once again, die Erdbeere. Next is, was ist das? Das ist das Ei. Once again, das Ei. This is a one egg, so we will say das Ei, which means egg. Next is die Karotte. Once again, die Karotte. Karotte means carrot, which is a vegetable, and vegetable in German is die Gemüse. So this is die Karotte. Once again, die Karotte. Next is grapes, which is in German languages die Trauben. Noch einmal, die Trauben, which means grapes. Next is, was ist das? Das ist der Kuchen. Noch einmal, der Kuchen. Kuchen in German is cake. Next is the banana. Once again, the banana, which means banana. Noch einmal, the banana. Next is, was ist das? Das ist das Eis. Noch einmal, das Eis, which means ice cream. Sehr leckeres, very delicious and tasty. So, noch einmal, das Eis. Next is, was ist das? Die Tomate. Noch einmal, die Tomate, which means a tomato. Noch einmal, die Tomate. And the last one is der Apfel. Noch einmal, der Apfel, which is a apple. Color is red, and this is a green color. So, der Apfel. Great guys. So, you have learned that what do we kept in our fridge, in our refrigerator. So, repeat them and practice them. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share. Best done and cheers. See you and bye.